bit different. The helicopter there, they used to train and use in the military. It's called the WASP. W-A-S-P. It's got like a set of wheels underneath. People used to call it a bedstead. Or it's a jet engine. A turbine. The Royal Navy is amazing with a kit. They can pull a lot of power. You can feel the energy from it. The 422 one. So what a machine! I'm taking a guess, but I think that'll be from the 1950s or 60s. But I'm only guessing at that. But they used to call it the flying bedstead. He's landing on the floor of the bed. Fantastic. And the engines exposed, so the weather and the winter and the rain don't bother it. What a fantastic thing. You don't see them very often. That's in the display over at Southport tomorrow. I wonder if they'll let me have a go.